If there's one thing that differentiates Butoh from other dance, that would have to be the thing of the strings, or being moved by something. Strings and Butoh are the things that are always moving you, as opposed to you moving it. So just do this. Just raise your arm. Just raise your arm to the front of you. Just raise your arm to the front of you. Now do the same thing, but with strings raising your arm. You are not raising your arm. The strings are raising your arm. And go back and forth. You raise your arm, and the strings raise your arm. Feel the difference. Strings, I am moving my arm. The strings are moving my arm. And you can even create a gradient, or what I call a synthesizer knob, going from one to the other. So at first maybe you want to move your arm. You want to move your arm, but gradually, there's a puppet master. And this puppet master is actually moving your arm. And so it gets lighter and lighter. There's a change of density. It's more, I would say, efficient with movement if you're utilizing these things like strings or images that are moving your body instead of you moving the body. It seems subtle, but it is all the difference in terms of Butoh and other types of dance.